Today we're putting on our mixologist pants and making a fancy AF cocktail.
Shout out to our coworker Juan for crafting a cocktail that lets us play with fire.
The first thing we're going to do is muddle 2 orange slices. Next, we're going to add 1 ounce of our house-made rosemary sweet potato syrup. For our next ingredient, we're adding a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Next, we're going to be adding 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. This cocktail is for all you mezcal lovers out there. We're going to be adding 2 ounces of Ilegal. When you order this cocktail, you can smell it being made from across the bar because we torched the rosemary garnish.
When the heat season returns, come have a rosemary gold with us at Hyde in the American Airlines Arena.